Hello, welcome to Drone Education Services. Today we're going to be talking about what is the knowledge test for Part 107. Well, by passing the knowledge test for Part 107, that allows you to perform commercial operations using your drone. A commercial operation is where you're making money by what you're obtaining from the drone. Now, the test covers a variety of topics on manned aircraft flight. Why manned aircraft flight? Because you will be sharing the same airspace as manned aircraft, and it is essential that you know the rules and you know how to communicate within that realm to prevent unintended accidents. The instructions for taking the knowledge test can be found on the FAA/UAS website. You can either schedule a test on the website, or you can call the phone number 1-800-947-4228 to schedule the test at a local testing center close to your house. The tests are administered Monday through Saturday, and they only cost $150 to take it. There are 60 questions, and you have 2 hours to complete it.